baby penguins love their mama. Once, there was a family of penguins. A mama penguin, and lots of baby penguins. Mama Penguin was very busy taking care of everybody. There were swimming lessons on Monday, sliding lessons on Tuesday, and waddling on Wednesday. Waddling was harder than it looked. Friday was fishing. Fishing was fun. And everyone loved Saturday squawking. On Sunday, after a long week, Mama took a nap. She loved doing all she could for her babies, and she was proud of them. Soon you will swim and slide and waddle and preen and fish and squawk just as well as I can, she told them. Maybe even better, said one of the babies. Better, said Mama. And when you can do everything better than I can, what will I do? Silly Mama. You will be our mama. The end. Please subscribe.